In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a self-signed certificate in Salesforce quickly and easily. Whether you're managing integrations or just need to secure communications, creating a self-signed certificate in Salesforce can be done efficiently in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to access your Salesforce account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to make some changes. Once you're on your main Salesforce page, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon. This is your gateway to the setup area where the magic happens. Click that gear icon and subsequently you'll need to click on Setup. Once you do that, you'll find yourself in Salesforce's Setup interface, which is a hub for all configurations and customizations. You'll notice there's a Quick Find box on the left side. It's a handy tool for locating various settings without having to navigate through endless menus. In the Quick Find box, type in Certificate and Key Management. This will filter your options down to exactly what we need. Now click on Certificate and Key Management. This section is where you manage your encryption keys and certificates, important for securing data and ensuring trusted communications between systems. Once you're in Certificate and Key Management, go ahead and click on Create Self-Signed Certificate. This is the starting point for generating a new certificate that Salesforce can use to authenticate itself when communicating with other systems. Now, you're at the stage where you'll need to fill in some important details about your certificate. Typically, this includes the label and unique name, which help you identify the certificate in the future. You may also want to provide an optional description to provide context or notes about the certificate. Ensure that the details you enter are accurate and descriptive, as this will help you manage your certificates effectively in the future. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, it's as simple as clicking Save. After saving, your newly created certificate will be available, but we need to download it for use. A download certificate option should appear. Click on it and you'll be prompted to download a .crt file. This file contains the public key of your certificate, which is an essential part of using your certificate in any integration or security mechanism you might set up. To wrap up, you've successfully created and downloaded a self-signed certificate in Salesforce. This certificate can now be used to secure communications and verify the authenticity of your Salesforce instance when interacting with other systems. It's a simple and necessary step toward ensuring robust security for your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.